Don't worry. You see. All will be well. Do.
Papa, you didn't go again?
Thank God. Kenere Chuku. That boy almost killed your father today.
That naughty boy called Chike almost killed me today.
Wait, Papa, you mean he touched you?
He grabbed me and lifted me like a small child and threw me out of their compound.
What? Why didn't you use him with your staff now?
Or see hit him? Hit him?
Yes.
He's saying that he grabbed him and threw him outside the compound. Nekwoku hit.
Oh God. Wait, so and his parents did not do anything to stop him?
No, they did. They tried to stop him. But you know that naughty Chike, what he could do.
Don't worry, Chike will have me to contend with anywhere I see him. Let me just set my eyes on him. He will have me to contend with. Stupid boy. Hey,
no wonder. No wonder. Hey, you see him? That's why Okowa left him in the village. He's a vagabond, just loitering around.
Mama, he actually gave him money. According to Bella, he gave him money to start up business. But what did he do? He squandered the whole money.
What do you expect of Chike giving him money to do business? He will just squander the money, waste the money and waste the time.
Don't worry. He will enter my trap. I will so deal with him very soon.
Mama, you are funny. Me and you know that you don't have any business to do with this boy. Where are you waiting for him?
In this village? Hey! I will set a clean trap for him. His leg, wham! I will capture him. Don't worry. They got no me.
Okay. Hey, Mama, Chike will catch him. Anywhere I see him, I swear he will collect. Imagine. Papa, if you hit him with you have hit him with your staff now. At least
hit him with his staff. That he threw him out of the compound. I'm talking of hitting him with the staff.
Don't worry. Mama, come for this.
When confusion comes, it seems like the world is over. But you need to stay fast, endure it all. Cause it is a passing process. You need to brace yourself and don't let it weigh you down. Cause this life is full of ups and downs. You gotta hold on tight, don't get blown away. Cause this life is full of ups and downs. You gotta hold on tight, don't get blown away.
Hold on.
Oh, wow. Mr. Joe. Good day, sir.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Fine. Yes, sir.
Please make yourself comfortable. Let me call you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Where is it?
He's there.
Mr. Joe. Good morning, sir. How are you? I'm fine, sir. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Sorry. Okay. How are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
So how is it? I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing? Please have a seat, sir. Make yourself comfortable. Bella,
Sir.
I'll get him something.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Joe, how are you?
Fine.
Thank you. It's been a tough time, but I'm coping. How's your family?
Good, sir.
Okay. And how's work?
Fine. Everything's fine.
All the staff are their best behavior. All right. Thank you. Bella, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Joe, nice for you to come.
Thank you, sir.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Yes.
And, actually, ask you to come for a reason.
Thanks for the grace.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Mr. Joe.
Sir.
Thanks for the drink, sir. You're welcome, Mr. Joe. I'm excited you're here. I have something important to share with you. First, I must thank you for your hard work.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
You're such an amazing person. I have worked with you over the years. I have equally watched you over the years. And I must say, you're a man of integrity. You have proven yourself so many times, and that is why I chose you for the job. Unfortunately, I'm taking a bow. My wife is going to be your next boss. And she's going to be the CEO of the company. She's going to be the chief executive officer. And she's now your MD.
That's a good idea, sir. It's a good one.
Please give her all the support she needs. Show her everything I know.
Okay.
And trust me, you would like her. She's quite smart and she's going to be very productive.
It's okay. I'm honored, sir.
You're welcome.
I look forward to it, sir.
Kindly inform the entire staff and let them know that there's a new boss and everyone must be at their best behavior.
I will.
Thank you very much, Mr. Joe.
Thank you.
Please have your drink.
I'm honored, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
onye nwe m ana m ebudu ụlọ na-ebute na mgbawa n'iru gị ọbụnagodi ihe ọbụla nke esi n'ụlọ ahụ jedozie na ka ọ bụrụ ife ga-eji anyị obi aṅụrị ana m asị na ana m egboro eji ọbara Jizọs Kraịst wee na-egbochi ụlọ anụnwa ụkwụ ọbụla ga-abata ya ga-abata n'ife ọma n'afa na nwa na mmụọ nsọ amen. You can sit.
I'm going out now. And if I come back and see Okowa and the wife here, I swear with everything I hold sacred, I will kill both of them. Yes! So you better call them and tell them to go back from that place after the house opening. Yes! After the house! And let me even remind you, I know why I'm saying this. I know why I'm saying this because when I will start, nobody should hold me because I will not look at anybody's face. Yes! I will kill both of them! Nonsense!
Honestly, I wish I'm related to Okowa.
How do you mean?
Because he has a good heart now. I mean, he's a man with a beautiful heart. A man that can do that kind of house for his in-law. He's a man with a golden heart now.
Wait, so in other words, what are you trying to say?
In other words, I'm jealous of you.
Jealous of me? Me? How?
See, Victoria, if Chike decides to marry you today, don't you think that God has done everything you need in this life? Don't you think so?
I
know what I'm saying.
I hope you follow me to the house opening ceremony.
No, Alan, I will follow you if I'm invited. If
you are invited,
me, I will go with you.
You follow me,
That your red gown, I'll wear it too. That your red gown.
You wear it or I will wear it?
I will wear it. Find another one I'll wear.
In case you blame you chicken.
How did you say that? Women, you work. Go on, we're gonna go to the house. I'll get you more for come with you.
Don't worry, I will dash you the blue one, but not the red one.
Please. The red one. Man, I want me to call.
I'm kind of.
And so.
I left a message for him and that useless woman he calls his wife. I swear with everything I hold sacred, if I see Okowa and that woman in our house, I will kill the two of them.
Chike. If you ask me, this is a wrong choice. This is a wrong decision that you are taking.
Okay, I'm not telling you for you to give me advice.
One day.
You get?
One day. Now, friends, we are here to advise you. We want to tell you our mind how it will take work for you too.
And I said I don't need it for now. Will you force me to take your advice? Or to make use of your advice? Oga, if I made them know it.
Okay, Chike, see, there is no need for you to wait for your brother to return home for you to fight him. Why not go there and fight him? Go there.
Go where?
Where they do the house opening.
What I want to tell you be that now. Go there,
Go there.
Good things for them come back.
Go there.
You don't need our advice.
I cannot go there and fight him.
I'm actually waiting for him to come back home. Because I know he's not the one that built that house. That house was automatically built by my own father. Yes, I know he can't do me anything. But if I will not get him, even if he's not blind. Take any and wonder. Chike, see, if I'm to say your brother, your brother big time mugu. How person go live in one papa house, in one papa compound, he never build anything. Go another place, go build house. Your brother went to his wife's people's place and erected a fine building for them. Guy, your brother na mugu.
Umarapa. Now they call that kind of person. Call her the correct name now. Why they go through corner?
Guy, the day I saw the house.
I was asking, is this my brother, my own blood, Bierona, that built this house for this woman?
But I came to realize that he didn't do that with his right senses.
Chike, forget that thing. Your brother built that house with his senses. Forget jazz or no jazz. Your brother built that house with his senses.
But you call her the correct name, Umarapa. Now Umarapa be. What you go with the ad for inside the
forget.
Now I don't blind now.
Oko.
Oko. One day far when precisely. But I'll prove to them that it's not everybody. I am stronger than them. How can a full grown-up man be on here and make you home house? I don't get it. Breadwinner.
Forget breadwinner. Bread don't finish. Winner don't go. Everyone get.
So, what do I find?
You have alcohol, soft, anything at all, provided it's really chill.
Yeah, I'm probably. Okay. Here is it. Yeah.
Just help me to grab it open.
Nice. Let me tell my sister that you're very sure.
I thought you said you were dating.
Well, I was already done before you did.
Okay. So what's up?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
And how is your husband?
It's just there.
Should your eyes open me like this? So you were taking something. Don't show me.
Oh, I actually requested for something really chill. So I guess this is what you guys are here. Actually, I came here to discuss something with you.
Okay. What would that be?
I want to quit my job.
You want to quit your job? What for?
I want to start taking care of my company. My husband's company. You know, since my husband got blind, he barely goes to the office. And even when he's there, he is almost unaware of what is going on in that company.
Honestly, blindness is not a good sickness. In fact, it is the worst sickness. I feel more for your husband.
And there, such is life. I feel for him too.
It is wrong. It's wrong. So why do you plan on resigning?
So, I want to tender my resignation letter tomorrow.
Okay. Have you told James about it?
Nah, not yet. Honestly, I don't know how to present the matter to him. I don't even know how he's going to take it.
Don't you think he would find it funny if you present your resignation letter without his notice?
Then maybe I should tell him before presenting the resignation letter to me.
The CEO is talking. CEO of a co-working group of companies. CEO of Owa's group of company. You don't check out. Okay. They get girlfriend. They get CEO. I'm so happy for you. Come here. Hello. Thank you. Yeah, everything happens. Oh yeah, we go.
Okay, Mr. Joseph.
Madam.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I had a dream again.
Okay, tell me about your dream and what happened this time.
This time, you came to my school,
Okay.
you drove yourself, and I was surprised
Why were you surprised?
because you can't see. And when I asked you, you said you regained your sight. I was so excited. Then I called my friends to come and celebrate with me. Then we were rejoicing until I woke up.
Okay. I pray that someday your dream will come to pass.
Yes, my dream must come to pass.
It's okay, I have faith. Your dream will come to pass, okay?
Yeah, I've been praying to God and I know one day He will answer my prayer.
So pray like this. My Oga don't blind. This my Oga, you don't take like this, blind, you no go to see load again. My Oga, they play to God, God, He will hear you. God will hear you.
What are we going to do now? Omo wahala dey o.
No be small wahala, my sister. A big problem will enter soon.
Wait though. Are you sure that woman is not trying to kill her husband so that she will take over the company?
I did tell you. And if she continues like this, I might likely resign. Because I can't die untimely because of my fellow woman.
You know, I think she's acting so fast. Because if you ask me, I would say she should just calm down and try to at least get the company's rules and regulations first.
That's exactly what she should have done. Instead of acting like a mini god.
Don't mind that. That was why she thought she could kill the CEO of the company. But thank God, the CEO spirit is stronger than her own.
God is above her. Because if her plans was to actually kill the CEO, she won't find rest on that seat. The seat will become so hot for her.
Were you doubting it before? Like, were you doubting it if she wanted to kill her husband before? Okay, if she did not want to kill her husband, why then did she run into them, knowing fully well that they were standing at that particular place?
That's another thing that made her look guilty. Because what kind of annoyance will make you hit your husband and your mother-in-law intentionally with a car?
Hey, she knows what she did. Like that particular thing, she knows what she did. And please, though, I'm very, very hungry. If you still don't want to go now, you can continue standing here, but me, I'm going.
Maybe on cigar, maybe on cigar. I'm gonna take a keep that one. Lonely, lonely, lonely.
Crazy general. I'm gonna wait for you for your sister. Huh?
Honestly, I wasn't doing anything at home, but I couldn't leave.
Did you go out?
My brother has lost it all.
How?
Just imagine. My brother handed every document, both his company document to his wife. Why I'm still alive? Is my own different? Am I not supposed to be his next of kin?
Chike. So, now this thing where you talk now, now the reason why you don't feel come up for your house. Wait. So, how it take concern you that your brother handed his company to his wife? How it take affect you? What's it beyond for that?
Emeka, you the one saying this? No, I want to understand. Are you the cap this one?
Chike, forget say I support you, when you can't tell us as FM for here, say your brother live in a house, go build for him wife people for that place. I support you for that one. But you see this particular one, my brother, I can't support you on this. I can't support you now. Listen now. Your brother still alive. Allah may run in family. No concern you.
See, what you make out to never bad. If you reason aware, you see people say two shall become one, and one shall become. You know those things. You people they talk. So you go live and what you want to do for them? Now your wife, you they still alive.
Chike, let me tell you. Allow your brother to make his wife the CEO of his company.
Okay, move live ourselves. Let's assume now, they give you this company asset. Can you do the administration?
Japan.
That's administration.
Emeka, are you the one saying this? I'm still surprised. I'm disappointed. Like, are you the one talking to me like this?
I'm appointed.
No, not bad now. You never talk bad thing.
You know what? You guys are talking rubbish. Let me tell you something. Onya ge mere bere. Oga ka ge mere bere.
No, you never die now.
Let's say, hold on, please. Now the yarn of Batabeg. Now the yarn. What?
No, just
advice.
Leave that one. Take.
All of now, Nakonda and Diala. I don't get you. I don't get you.
Now loud they leave. Canadian loud. Not they live like this. They come out.
You won't be next of king.
Next of king.
Next of king.
You never know administration. What do you call an administration? You wait on administration. What is administration?
I don't know. The person they recommend.
You see your life. Person they recommend the administration.
Yes, coming.
Good day, madam. One Mr. Jones is here and he asked to see you.
Jones,
Yes, ma'am.
let him in.
Alright, ma'am.
Hello? Oh,
Missed you. Missed you.
come on, look at your office. It looks so amazing.
Right. So, how's work?
Oh, work is fine, just stressed and all. So, how have you been?
Very well. How about you take a seat?
Okay.
So, this is the first time you're coming to my office?
Yeah, and I think I like everything about your office.
What should I offer you since today is the first time you're coming to my office?
I think I need you. But I miss you.
Thank you.
It's really not done with the cooking. Really still.
I'll still carry the wheel this morning. Let me find out. Lily! 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 She's almost done. Let's see. You don't even can you imagine us? Yes. Beautiful house.
Dad?
Yes.
Mom? The food is ready now. Let's go downstairs.
Downstairs?
Yes.
What's this? We shall continue watching it.
Her number is off.
Her number is switched off.
Yes.
Please call her friend Bevina.
Okay.
She might have an idea of her whereabouts.
Hello? Good evening. Please, are you with my sister? I don't know, but I've been trying to call her. Her numbers are switched off. Okay. Please, I'll be expecting your call. Alright, thank you. Thank you very much.
What did she say?
She says she's not with her at the moment, but she will call me back if she gets to Risha.
I hope nothing bad has happened to her.
I pray so.
You have to keep trying her number.
Okay.
Call the number again.
It's still switched off.
Keep calling. Dial the number again.
It's still switched off.
Keep trying.
Brother, I think she's back.
I know.
Hi, my darling. Oh, baby, I'm so sorry. You know, we had a board meeting and after that, I went to the global multimedia office for another meeting that took almost the whole day. Seriously, like I am so tired right now, for real. Did you miss me?
Did you say you attended the board meeting?
Mm-hmm.
When I called Joseph, he didn't tell me that.
You called Joseph? Oh, come on, baby. I mean, that wasn't necessary. But it's fine. It's okay. Oh, Bella, please, get me something to eat. I am so hungry.
Alright, sister.
Please.
No. I think you should go and have a shower.
No, that can't wait. Right now, I am so hungry. I need to eat.
Because you smell very different.
I smell... Oh, come on, baby. I mean, that is expected. I had to meet and greet with, a lot of people. So right now, I have to go. So hungry. Bella! Get me my food. Okay, baby. See you. I'm coming.
I told you I will handle everything. I mean, it wasn't even all that difficult. Yes, I'm home. Just finished bathing. Thank you. Okay, my friend, my bad. Correction taking. Alright, good night. Bye.
Imagine my brother handed all his company documents to his wife's marriage. Why I'm still alive.
I don't understand. Like, at times I don't even understand this your brother. Why will he do such thing? Why? Like, see, I don't just understand this your brother. He just be behaving somehow. Eh? Yeah. Are you not the one he's supposed to give everything?
Just imagine. Just imagine. Look at the way I'm loitering in the village as if I don't have a helper. Oh, wow. Only for him to hand everything over to his wife.
Sunto, let me correct you on that. The brother in question has a child.
And so?
And the brother is supposed to hand over all his property to Chike. Even if he wants to give Chike some of his property, fine, but not handing over everything that he has to Chike. I'm not supporting that one. He has a child.
What are you talking about? What nonsense are you talking about? Did you hear her?
Chike, calm down. Just calm down, eh? Calm down. Chike, your brother has a child. You don't even expect him to hand over everything that he has labored for to you. Why? He should give you some of his property, not giving you everything. He has a child, please.
What? Are you okay? Oh, now you're supporting my brother, right?
Chike.
Isn't it?
Chike, please don't talk to me like that. I'm your girlfriend and I'm supposed to tell you nothing but the truth.
Hey babe, are you sleeping already? You didn't even wait for me to get in.
Just lay down, sleep.
I have missed you.
Okay.
Babe, did you say okay? Don't you miss me? Huh? Hey babe, come here. Come close to me. Is something wrong? Did you have a bad day?
Yeah.
What happened? Alright, come, let me make you feel good. Babe, come here. What's wrong with you?
Oh, stop,
Huh?
man. I want to sleep, please.
Alright, let's sleep together. Come here. Babe, turn around. Don't be hard. What is it?
Can you just sleep?
Babe, I miss you. I want to come here. I want to kiss you. Come here.
Stop now. What is it?
Sandra, why are you doing this?
You're blind. You still want to do something. Can you just stop, please?
Are you judging me?
I'm not judging you, but
What is it my fault that I'm blind?
let us focus on one. Okay?
But the fact that I am blind doesn't stop me from doing anything. It doesn't affect any part of my body. My organs are still very active. Come here.
I'm really not that one, please.
Babe, why are you like this now? Come now. Don't make me feel bad. What is it, babe? Come on, can you stop?
My husband called him before he called you.
And what did he say?
He said he never mentioned anything about we having a management meeting when he called.
That guy is not to be blamed. Yes. You did not tell him you were going somewhere, so how was he supposed to know that? You did not go home after work.
What are you talking about? That guy is lousy. A man is not supposed to be lousy.
Sandra, if you ask me, I would say that guy was not being lousy.
He was. I mean, he must have told my husband something that made him to call you.
That I can't say. But please, next time if you want to do this your kurukere movement, let the people around you know, so that we know how to cover up for you. Don't just keep us in the dark.
I know. I mean, don't I tell you things? This one just skipped my mind. You see that guy? He will have me to contend with. Trust me.
Come on in. Come on in.
My husband called you yesterday.
Yes, he did.
And what did you say to him?
I told him that you left the office before me.
Shut up. You bloody liar. You're lying.
I'm not lying, man. He called me asking me where I was. And I told him I'm home. He said, what about my wife? I said I saw you leaving the office before me. That was all.
You're lying. Just get out.
I'm sorry, man.
My friend, leave my office!
Fool.
Jane, come to my office right now.
Good morning.
You were late this morning.
Yes, I'm very, very sorry, ma'am.
You don't need to apologize. I already marked you absent.
Oh.
And when next this happens, I am going to deduct huge amounts of money from your salary.
Jesus. Ma, I'm very, very sorry. I promise I will never come late again. Please, forgive me.
And where is my coffee?
Your coffee is coming now. I'll make it now.
Do I need to remind you?
I'll make it immediately, ma.
2 minutes.
Okay, ma. Coffee. I'm very sorry.
Daddy.
Yes.
Do you know that one girl likes to bully me in school?
Someone likes to bully you. Who's that and why?
I don't know. She said that I'm feeling too proud, that I'm feeling too big of myself because my parents are rich.
And what did you do?
I reported to the school authorities. Besides, my friends fought for me.
Alright. Adobe. Now
Yes?
listen good. Never get physical with anyone. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
If anyone bullies you at school, go straight to the school authorities and report the person. If not, come here and tell me. I know what to do. Alright?
Okay, Daddy.
And don't let anyone confuse you. You're not proud. I love you. Your future is very bright. You're smart. You're intelligent, and you should be proud of yourself. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Good girl.
Daddy.
Yes.
Can you change my laptop for me? I don't like the old one again. It's bad.
That's fine. I can do it.
Really?
Yes, I'll change it for you.
Oh, thank you so much,
You're
Daddy.
welcome, my love. You're welcome.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, baby girl. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking prettier by the day.
Auntie Maybe, welcome.
Thank you. Gemma, go ahead and check.
I'm fine.
Adobe,
Yes, Daddy.
kindly wait for me upstairs, alright? And tell Bella to bring a bottle of wine and a glass, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Alright then. How are you, Ravina?
I'm very well. How about you?
I'm doing okay. Just getting used to staying at home. Yes.
I understand.
How are you?
Very well.
How's work?
Work is getting harder
I
day
know.
by day. How are you?
Fine.
Ravina,
Yes, please.
very good for you to come. I wanted to see you. I've been meaning to ask you very important questions. But before I do that, I'd like to take you down memory lane. Ravina, do you remember how we all started? Myself, my wife, and yourself. We have truly come a long way. We're like family. You know how much I love my wife. I want you to be honest with me. I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth.
Like you said, we have come a long way. You're like a brother to me. In fact, not all my brothers can do what you have done for me in the past. And for this reason, I promise to tell you the truth of whatever question you have to ask.
Thank you, Ravina.
You're welcome.
But are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Alright. Ravina, Is my wife cheating on me? You're quiet. I want to believe your silence means, yes, she's cheating.
How can you say something like that? Of course not. The thing is that I lost my words because I never expected this kind of question from you. Listen, Sandra, my friend, loves you so much. If one can be air, then you are the air that she breathes. She loves everything about you. Like, she can't live without you. So, the answer is capital No. She is not an cheater.
Are you sure about that?
100% sure.
Are you aware that she attended the board meeting yesterday?
Well, I am not aware. But then I was worried when I called her and her lines were switched off. I sent messages which never delivered. I felt a bit relieved when she called to say she was home.
Davina,
Yes.
are you sure you're telling me the truth?
I'm telling you the truth. Yes, I'm sure.
My wife isn't cheating on me.
No.
Can you take an oath to defend her?
Of course I can. Although we are not together at this moment. I don't know where she is and what she is doing. But as my friend, I can vouch for her. 100%.
Alright. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
I trust you so much, so I believe everything you have said.
Thank you for trusting me and thank you for believing all my word. I promise not to disappoint you.
Please enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much. Unsatisfied human, no matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah. It's a no-no. When you're trying to please, you cannot achieve it. Give her your body, give her your all. You cannot please.
Like I started doing like basket of cake like this. You know, some don't know like person they do. I don't get her down.
Wait, come. What is that?
Guy, no informat. Now me. Rebecca.
Come here, Mr. What are the things that you talk so?
What do you think?
Why the cost of doing for your mouth? Come on, for you, the Christian. Come on, for me. What do you mean you talk about so too?
Because your head not too correct. Your head correct. You don't say something on my babe.
So the small boy.
As I don't dress now, guy. That babe. Let me get down.
They're not boy you wear. You don't fit. We have a pastor come out like nobody go fit. You don't fit try yourself. They make nice.
Chilaka. As the chilaka. I make her don't throw the babe down.
Try her first.
You know what it's not working like.
Don't try her first. Don't try make my man think that is help for this community.
Ndobodo snangwage na me get the babe.
They don't boy you wear. Don't fit. I don't feel like that. Don't try her first. You conform and say, see, I want to laugh with you. Because now you're a friend.
Why the ugly face? Ugly face. Let's look clear.
Maybe make me go wear that cap.
Let me the hit.
Why got them talk about shoulder like that? Go call it to. I don't listen to my friend. I mean, they listen you.
Go reach Iceland.
No, they go. Not talk that
Iceland.
Oh, wait, I'm for your match.
Let me the hit.
Don't come out your cap.
Where? You still no fine. I still fine pass you. Chilaka, I make us still fine pass you. Let me get some though.
Come on, you're not saying how they wear that. You say they put it for my ass. Don't talk about something again.
My guy, not the para. How we get this town?
Babe, it be like say water don't pass carry. Your waka yesterday, it don't cast.
My waka cast.
How? Your husband called me to your house, and when I got there, the question that man asked me, if I even tell you, you'll be shocked. Yes, Because myself, I was shocked. I was not expecting to hear that kind of question from him. Do you know that I got to your house and your husband asked me this question? First, he said I should tell him the truth. I was kind of worried, like confused. What truth do you want to hear from me? And he asked, and I quote, is my wife cheating on me?
What kind of question is that? You mean my husband asked that?
I'm telling you, he asked though. What to do? I told the poor man that you cannot do such a thing. That you love him so much. In fact, that he is the air that you breathe. I told him and he believed.
Wait, you mean my husband called you to come to my house to ask you such a stupid question?
My sister, it shocked me. It shocked me past electric. I did tell you the truth. Because like I said earlier, I was not expecting that kind of question from him. At all.
That's so lame. Anyway, it's actually really funny. You know.
Did you say it's funny?
Of course
it's like you don't understand what I just said. You've not digested it. I said your husband asked if you are cheating on him, meaning he is suspecting you. And you find it funny? Babe, it is not funny. That is the reason I came to this place to tell you so you know how to package yourself when you get home.
You wouldn't even dare. For real. You wouldn't dare to ask me that kind of question. What stupid question is that?
And what if he does?
I know how to deal with him. I know how best to answer him. So don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
I'm talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother,
Who's there?
you'll get a
James. Oh, is the driver there? Yes, sir. Okay. Alright, don't leave. Please just tell me when I go close to the staircase. Alright.
Okay, one step down. Yes. Another one. Yes. Another one. At last. Good boy.
Adobe. Go in. Open the. Hey, where are you? You're coming on Saturday, right?
Yeah. Saturday, I'll be with you.
Adobe, let's go.
I'm missing you already.
Adobe, hold this for me.
You want to stay back? No.
Give her your soul, material things. Give her the world. Give her your body. Give her your all. You cannot please her. Yeah. I'm talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah. It's a no-no. When you tryna please you cannot achieve it. Give her your body, give her your all. You cannot please her. And to sum it up,
I'm gonna have you all to myself today.
Today? Well, you're gonna have me all to yourself.
Oh, cool.
Not just today. And tomorrow.
I see.
And I'll be heading to the village on Saturday.
Village? Saturday? What's happening in the village?
Burial. But I'll be back on Sunday.
Oh, come on, I'm gonna miss you.
But meanwhile, we're gonna have some fun. Come on, I need to go get ready. Dasha. Relax.
Oh.
Relax here. I need to go get ready. Okay. I'm coming for you. Don't go anywhere. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Thank you. Oh my God. Yay! Oh, please stop. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, come on. Mama! Mama! Mama, get up there, guys! Mama, come on! Mama, get up there! Mama, guys! Hey! Grandma! You came to see Grandma. What? Hey! Grandma, I'm not carrying you off. How are you?
How you doing? Where's Mama? Okay. Mama?
How
How are you?
How are you?
Oh. Okay.
Oh, baby,
see that my girl, eh? That my girl too sweet. See bum bum. See Bobby. God. Over sweet, they worry that.
Flavor, this one, they call her family.
Hey, I call her my sweet potato. What's up? Where they go now? But I don't finish everything that happened now. So nothing there, no carry anything come. Yeah.
Your brother don't come.
My brother. No, he never come. Come where?
Siam now. Siam. I say he don't come.
I don't understand. You see my brother?
Siam now. That pass me. I know your brother motor now. You
see my brother? With the wife?
I don't know whether your wife did sharp, but you see the motor dark. So I don't see other people inside the motor. I don't see the wife on inside, but I don't see your brother with that. You don't know?
It will be true, Sha. It will be true. I'm going home. I'm back. I'm going home.
I bet take a miss with the wife, take a miss with that woman,
Why you make you take a miss,
I don't understand. What would you have me say?
I want a bad advice. Bad advice.
How is I talk come with bad advice?
Yeah, man, you know what I mean to take a miss.
It's not like that, yeah. Chike is old enough to know the truth. He knows the truth and he knows lies. So he knows the right and the wrong thing to do.
So what you me?
Adults.
You be adult.
Mama.
How is good, my dear?
Mama, how's your leg?
My dear, I am here.
You feel better?
Yes, at least I can walk around now.
That's good.
And you? How are you managing your sight?
Getting used to it. Doing good.
God is asking.
Yes. Papa hasn't come back yet.
No, he went for one meeting. He will soon be back.
He needs to come back. We have a lot to talk about.
Okay, don't worry. Very soon.
Adobe,
Yes, Daddy.
have you seen your grandma?
Yes.
You're always stressing me. Now you are seeing her.
My daughter, how are you? Good afternoon.
Good
afternoon. How are you? My son, Papa. Exactly. Is good.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay. You're doing good.
Thank God for joining us.
Yes, I heard you went for your meeting.
Yes, yes.
How did it go?
It went well.
No.
No.
Oh yeah. But how have you been?
I've been fine, my son.
We came like 30 minutes ago.
Okay. And where is your
wife? My wife didn't come with us. She'll be coming on Saturday.
Why? Why did she?
Papa, you know, since
she will come.
I have to explain to him.
Okay.
Okay, Papa, you know I resigned and she took over from me. So there's a lot of work to do at the office. And if she's not there to supervise, you know, the work going on, things will go bad.
I see.
So she's my eye over there. But she will come on Saturday. That's not a problem at all.
Uncle Chike left.
Chike here. Chike.
Yes.
Chike. Chike, how are you? Chike. She said Chike was.
Yes, he's here, Papa. Chike.
Where is he? Chike.
What are you doing in my house?
Huh? Chike.
Now leave my house.
Who is he asking to leave?
She is going nowhere. This is my house.
Who is he talking to? What?
I said, what are you doing in my house?
Chike.
I said, leave my house!
Amaka, leave me alone. Amaka said, leave me alone. Listen to me. Who are you talking to, Chike?
He is not talking to.
Who is he talking to?
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
And how is this your house? Chike. Papa. What is going on here?
Stop now, stop. What's wrong with you? Stop.
This is my house. And if there's anyone who should leave, not you, I should be the one to say, and not you.
It's fine, it's fine. You leaving your house will make it to be calm, please. Let me go.
Bella,
Sir?
stay where you are.
Okay, sir.
You're not going anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Chike, what the hell is wrong with you? Are you trying to take advantage of my bad sight? Eh? You're misbehaving because I can't see?
I said, leave my house! She is going nowhere.
Papa, stop now.
I
Papa,
saw so. Okay. Yes, she's not going anywhere. Yes. Stop. Leave my house! Leave my house! Leave my house! Leave my house! Leave my house!
Darlington, call the police! It's okay. Darlington, call the police! Call the police!
They should call police for me.
Yes!
Stop!
Are you crazy?
Uncle was stop.
Papa, leave me alone! Papa, leave me alone!
Stop! If I see you again here, don't bother this rest. Leave my house!
Stop.
Papa,
I'm going to take care of it.
Papa, what is going on here?
Chike! Use one of assist.
Stop now, let me go. Brother,
take him out! If you touch me, I will wash your head! If you touch me, leave me alone!
Chike,
you touch me, I will wash your head! Are you mad?
Chike, stop.
It's okay.
I'm so going to mess that fool up. I'm going to get him arrested for the second time. Imagine that idiot. He thinks he can humiliate me. Oh, just hold on. I'm going to get him arrested. What rubbish! What rubbish! Just hold. This one, just pick my call. I'll just pick my call, please. You see your brother? I am going to mess him up. I am going to mess him up. Mommy, calm down. You needed to see what this guy did to me. He embarrassed me in front of everyone. He did not come out. He embarrassed me. He humiliated me. Me, Sandra. He messed with the wrong person. Oh, he's so messed with the wrong person. I'm not giving you this phone. I am going to get that fool arrested.
Can you give me
No, you watch me. I am going to get him arrested.
Give me the phone.
Can you just pick your call?
Please.
No, don't tell me that to go. Don't tell me, no. I'm not pulling anything down. No, I won't do that. She's messing with the wrong person. No, he messed with the wrong person. Papa, don't calm me down, please. Don't tell me it's okay. Don't tell me that. You were all there. You were all there. This guy humiliated me. In the presence of everyone, you were laughing at me.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's okay. Yeah? He's right. Push me, yeah? He told you to push me, I'll slap him. Don't just like me, my son. Oh, okay. No, leave him.
Leave me alone.
Allow me.
Leave me alone.
Allow me.
Am I not the one?
Bring this on. Allow this fool. Bring it. Hold on.
Leave me alone now. Allow what you get. Press me.
Bring it on. Allow him. Allow the sex.
Leave me alone now!
I'm talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah.
Are you okay?
Okay, good morning.
And why did you barge into my office like that?
Sorry, ma. I went to my office this morning. I saw a strange face sitting there, asking me what am I doing in my own office. Please, ma. Please see.
I mean, your common sense should have told you that that is the new manager.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Well, Mr. Joseph, I mean, you are fired.
What?
And you have 15 minutes to leave this premises. And less than 3 seconds in my sight. Security. Make sure Mr. Joseph leaves this premises in less than 5 minutes.
Mr. Joe.
Sir.
Can I get a detailed explanation of what happened?
Okay, sir. So I got her
called this morning that I should report to her office. So when I got to my office, I ran some fire before going there. I saw a young guy sitting in my office. They asked him, "Who are you?" The guy started challenging me, asking me some question. After a little confrontation with the guy, I went straight to your wife's office. And then she gave me the shock of my life. She served me a visa. Served me this.
What is the letter?
Served letter, sir.
She fired you?
Yes, sir. So when I tried to ask her why, she said I had only 15 minutes to vacate the premises. I'm so confused, sir.
Well, this is quite an unfortunate story. But I've heard you.
Yes.
I'm going to hear her own side of the story. Then I'll get back to you.
Okay, sir.
But please, I must apologize for the inconveniences and the humiliation. Alright?
It's okay, sir.
I'll get to the root of the matter, and trust me, you will be reinstated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Glow? Why are you sitting here? What's wrong? What's happening?
I feel for him. But what can a poor girl like me do?
Well, you know, but I'm not sure if our MD is aware of the sudden dismissal. I mean, poor Oga Joseph was standing as the second in command.
You don't need to think about it. I'm sure our MD doesn't know.
But what did he do? Like, what was his offense?
He didn't commit any offense. I just suspect a foul play between that young man and Madam.
What you say is exactly what it is. Because there was a day I met them in the office sitting so intimately. Yes. But I couldn't reason it. I didn't reason it because I had nothing in mind.
I have always known. I have. That woman will not manage this company well.
Ah. A very, very useless woman. I mean, she's already beginning to make me believe that she actually wanted to kill her husband just so she could take the properties.
It won't work for her. It won't.
But wait though. Does it mean our MD don't have relatives? I mean family, someone who can, you know.
Jane, relatives.
Yes now.
Come. Does that woman look to you like somebody who will let any of the MD's relatives close to that company?
That's true, Sha. Anyways, I pray that our MD sweat doesn't come to waste. In Jesus' name.
Amen. I pray so too. It's fine. Cheer up.
Give her the word, give her your body, give her your all. You cannot please her, yeah. I'm talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah. They say no, when you're trying to please you cannot achieve it. When give her your body, give her your all, you cannot please her. And to sum it up, you cannot please a woman, no matter how you try. You cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul. material things. Give her the world, give her your body. No matter what you give, you cannot please a woman. I will say it again.
Sis! Good afternoon, Doris. You're welcome. Thank you.
Sis. What is it? What is the problem?
It's nothing. I am fine.
Oh, don't tell me that. Don't tell me it's nothing because you are not. You are not fine.
It's Sandra.
What about her? What happened?
Doris. Could you believe that I asked Sandra to give me 5 million naira? Actually, I did not ask her to dash me the money. I asked her to lend me 5 million naira. And she said she does not have.
5 million naira?
Yes. And she looked me in the eyes and told me that she does not have 5 million naira to give to me.
Are you for real?
I am telling you the fact.
But, sis, what do you want to do with 5 million naira?
Starting when? No, what kind of useless question is that? Huh? What is your business with what I want to do with my money? What?
I'm sorry.
Sandra. Someone I call my friend.
Oh. Do you have her in mind as your friend?
Did you forget your brain somewhere? Because I don't understand the kind of questions you're asking me today. What is that? You, Doris, is asking me if I have Sandra in mind as a friend. Of course I do. I do have her in mind as a friend. In fact, as a sister. Do you know that? Everything that Sandra has done in the past is still doing and will still do. We are all masterminded by me. Yes. In fact, Sandra can do literally nothing without my advice. I am her backbone, her everything. I am her advisor. God.
So, why is she doing a thing like that? Why?
That is one thing that baffles me. I honestly do not know what has come over Sandra. It seems she does not take me the way I take her. Or is it because she has now occupied her husband's position in Okowa's group of company?
Do you know what? That is human being for you. You understand? So,
I understand, yes. I understand perfectly. Human beings, yes, I know they change. Change is constant. But why Sandra? Why will she change towards me? Come on, 5 million naira. Yet she claimed to be my friend. Tell me, what kind of friend cannot help a friend out when in need? No, tell me, is that how your friends do?
I don't even have a friend that can borrow me such amount of money. By the way, sis, at this point, I don't know what to say again. Because I believe you will not believe she's wrong. So, sis, I'm hungry. You know, I'm just coming back. Let me go and find something.
Please, just go and look for what to eat. You don't know what to do, yet you are asking me what the problem is. What's that one? It seems they are not teaching you respect in that your school. See, I'm not in a good mood though. If I enter, you no go like me. I want that.
You serious?
Come on, just me now. Stand up. Easy.
What happened?
You don't even know what is happening.
What happened?
Do you know your friends now? Chilaka and Emeka. They're asking me out. Me of 4 people.
Asking you out? Is you? You should be happy.
Happy about what?
You should be happy they're asking you out.
Those men have. Those riffraffs. Hey! There is nothing some Tochiko you will not see in this village.
Listen, I cannot have you insult my friends here.
I'm not insulting anybody.
No. I cannot have you insult my friend. Why will you insult them?
I'm very good. They are riffraffs. They are not my type now. They're not my class.
They are men with class.
Imagine.
You know what's up, baby? Let me peck you, baby.
Oh my God. Remove your mouth.
What is it?
Why are you doing this now?
Better listen.
If I go, you guys
better go and accept Shilaka.
I'm not accepting anybody.
So you can feel this vibe.
I mean that is waiting for a city man.
You see? Love is so sweet. Love is so sweet, baby. Give it to me, baby. Oh,
I'm with you. Stop.
Baby, one more. Baby, one more. Give it to me, baby. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Because I don't have a boyfriend.
You're missing,
because I don't have a boyfriend. No problem.
Listen, go and reach Chilaka and the rest.
I don't want
Accept them. This is the opportunity for you to accept them.
What's actually going on? How can she fire my manager without consulting me? Someone who has the company's interest at heart. I mean, if anyone should do that, it should be me. I am the MD of the company. I think things are getting out of control. But I'll keep watching her.
Daddy. Dad? Daddy?
Adobe,
Dad, what are you thinking?
is that you? Come and sit down.
Dad, don't you think I can be of any help if anything is troubling you?
Adobe, nothing is troubling me.
Dad?
Yes?
How old am I?
14.
Am I still a baby?
To me, you're very much a baby, but to others, you're not a baby.
Dad, why do you like hiding things from me?
Hiding things? I'm not hiding anything from you, Adobe.
Dad, you are. Ever since you had this accident, you've been having issues and problems with my mom. Am I right?
No. You're not right, because your mom and I are very good. We are very intimate and everything is fine. Besides, what do you know about the accident?
Dad, I've been watching you guys. I've been seeing you all. Yes.
Listen, I think you're very wrong, Adobe. Your mom and I were good. We're intimate, we love each other, and we just had a little misunderstanding, but we are fine now. We're good.
Okay. What put you into this condition?
You mean the cause?
Yes, the cause. Or do you think I wouldn't know?
Okay, tell me what you know.
You guys were quarreling. You, Mom, and Grandma. And I overheard you several times.
Well, Everything is fine. Alright? But who told you?
I just told you I overheard you several times.
Come here. I want you to believe me when I tell you that everything is fine. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
I'm your father. You should listen to me. Alright?
Okay, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
Good girl. Now go and get a glass of water for me.
Dad, why not juice?
Sandra, what makes you my friend? You cannot tell me you don't have 5 million naira as we speak.
Of course I don't. I mean, what makes you think that I have 5 million naira as we speak?
For crying out loud, you are the CEO of Okowa Group of Company. That aside, I am 110% sure that you have that money.
You know, I don't want to sound rude to you. You came asking for money, but your voice is so loud. But anyway, I will advise you as my friend. How about you go to the bank and apply for this money? I mean, considering your position as a banker, this money will be given to you at ease. So, come on, go to the bank.
I have a friend who will save me the shame of loaning money from the bank. And that friend is you, Sandra.
But I'm so sorry. Okay? That kind of money is what I don't have. 5 million naira is too big, it's too huge. I don't have it. If we were talking about 5,000 naira or 500,000, but 5 million naira is too much. It is too much. I don't have it.
Sandra, why are you being so wicked? Why are you so mean, so heartless?
Did you just call me wicked?
Sorry, ma.
Yeah, what is it?
It goes for the supply, ma.
From which company?
From me first merchandise, ma.
Hi, sweetheart. Please, do not send the company's account to Effects Merchandise. Yes, kindly send them my personal accounts. They will be remitting 240 million naira. Yes, send them my personal account. Okay. Yeah, sure. Love you too. Bye.
That's what it's saying.
Of course I know. Okay, voila. So, my friend.
5 million naira only this girl could not give me after everything I have done and still doing for her. Why are human beings bad? Sandra, right before me, you got an alert of 240 million naira. Yet, you had the mind to tell me that you don't have 5 million naira to give me. What does that mean? She practically doesn't want to give it to me. Yes. Sandra, I never knew you could beat the finger that fed you.
You are very, very stupid. You are mad. Why would you slap me? Are you okay? Why would you slap me? I mean, the way you're doing her for. Look at him.
Silly baby, calm down. Why you stop? No, they hold your back.
You slapped me. Stop me right here, he slapped me.
Calm down.
Your brother that my sister.
And I'll slap you again if you don't leave here.
You don't do anything. You cannot do anything. What will you do? What will you do?
You come on yourself now. Come on yourself now. What's this? Come on yourself. I want to be this. You be this. Come on yourself.
What for woman?
Why the chicken for woman?
I was a man. I will not for here. A shower. A shower.
It is your mother. It is your sister that is a shower. It is your generation that is a shower. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? Come and beat me. Someone is drinking. Come on and shoot. Fuck on this shoe. Fuck on this shoe. Why would you slap me? Go. I slap your brother. That's how I stop.
When you first call him a shower, she know where. She know where.
I know him. He can't do anything.
Leave me alone, idiot! Idiot! Come down! Calling my mother a shower. Come down! Come down! Don't have me like this again, let's stop. Why would you not do me? You are going to come down. I was not mad. I will not do this. You call yourself. Start the same. Don't try this nonsense. Don't try this. I wish I would.
Are you serious? I'm very, very serious if you don't know. Like, I walked into them in the midst of the quarrel. Quarrel? Come, but what could be the matter? I don't know, but I know that whatsoever it is has to do with money. Oh, how I wish they fought. I will go on. Well, I would have been happier too if they fought. I'm sure they will make up. Whatever it is that made them quarrel, they will make up. They are friends. But wait though, I was thinking like, anything that could make these two women fight. Oh no, that is strong. What am I suspecting is because of a man? I don't think it's because of a man. But I concern you. Like, because you know concern you also. You know you're supposed to take this thing. You're supposed to understand now. It's just my head. It's just stay there and look at Hey, I'll just keep on.
I'm sorry she raised her voice at you.
That's not my problem. My problem is that she has the money but has refused to give to me. She's just being wicked to me.
I don't understand her. She has the money but I don't know why she doesn't want to help you.
Mr. Jones, can you do me a favor?
Okay, what could that be?
Ask her what the problem is. Yes, I know something is wrong somewhere and that could be her reason for refusing to give me the money. So I want you to ask her to know what the problem is.
Well, I don't think there's a problem. For real. I think she's just being wicked. She doesn't want to help you.
Mr. Jones.
Right.
Can you please give me the money?
Oh, well, I would have loved to help you, but I don't have that kind of money. Jesus. I'm sorry.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
How about, getting a loan from the bank?
I would have done that. Like, I wouldn't have been going around begging people for money. I would have done that since. But the thing is that the new manager is not my friend.
Oh, goodness. I don't know. I'm sorry. I wish I could help. I'm sorry.
It's alright. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's alright.
I'll catch you later.
Alright.
Alright.
Bye. Take
Drive
care.
safe.
Sure. Bye-bye.
Catch you.
Can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah. It's a no-no. When you're trying to please you cannot achieve it. When you try your body, give her your all, you cannot please her. And to sum it up, you cannot please a woman. No matter how you try, you cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul, material things, give her the world, give her your body. No matter what you give, you cannot please a woman. I will say it again, you cannot please a woman. No matter how you try, you cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul, material things, give her the world, give her your body. No matter what you give, you cannot please a woman.
Did you tell your husband about it?
No, I did not.
Why?
Nothing. I don't just feel like. Moreover, I'm the one in charge.
You might find out.
Definitely he will. But it's none of my business if he blows.
Sandra, it will be very difficult for you to explain yourself if he finds out himself.
Listen, was he not the one that brought me to the company? So, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, right?
I know very well that he was the one that brought you into that company to be in charge. But he still remains the CEO of that company, even though he is blind now.
You know, you're beginning to show so much concern about this. Is there anything else attached to this?
What are you saying? It's nothing. Okay, fine. Calm down. Relax. Calm down. I'm sorry. I rest my case. Ma.
You better rest it.
Hello, Sandra.
Hello, Davina.
What's up? Are you home?
Yes, I'm home. But there is a problem.
What is it?
Davina, I came back home right now to meet the same dismissal letter I served Joseph. On the table in my living room.
I told you. Your husband is a very smart man. He intentionally left that letter there because he knew you would see it when you return. Look at the way he's going about it now.
Davina, please, can you just tell me what to do? Please, I'm not being calculative right now. I've lost my words. Just tell me what to do, please.
Same here.
What do you mean, same here? Davina, tell me what to do now, please.
I meant I lost my words too.
Davina, can you just stop? Can you just stop now, please?
Well, let me think. Calm down. See what you will do, right? What you should do is to ignore that letter. Pretend like you did not see it. I think that will help. Yeah?
Right? Okay. I will do just that. Thank you. You see why I call you my friend? Thanks.
Alright, you're welcome. Bye.
Did she not see the letter? Or she saw it and left it there? The question is, why is Sandra acting this way? Is it because of my condition? A condition that she caused. What do I do now? I really don't want to go hard on her. Should I ask her? That is the right thing to do. But this is the wrong time to do it. I'll just allow her. I'll keep watching her. I'll watch her every move. I'd like to know what she has on her mind.
Sis, was it not Sandra you were talking to?
She was.
Has she given you the money? And you were talking to her in that manner?
I don't understand.
You don't understand, you said?
So because she did not give me the money I requested from her, I should stop taking her calls?
It shows that there is no sign that you are angry for what she did to you.
Doris, Sandra is my friend.
Sandra is not your friend. Sandra is not your friend. A friend that cannot help a friend in need is not a friend indeed.
Relax. I understand what you are saying. I know what you mean. But then again, I have my plans.
You have your plans. You always do. I expected that.
Hey, Doris. How are you?
Are you okay? I'm fine.
Please help me call your sister. Hi. How are you? I'm fine.
What's up with your sister? I mean, she doesn't really look okay.
How?
I mean, are you guys having issues? She looks a little bit upset.
How? I don't understand what you are saying. Because I never had any issue with her. Didn't you, Oscar?
I did ask her, but she said nothing.
I beg. Leave the risk of her character. So just me, what later happened?
Oh, so I pretended, just like you said. And even this morning while I was coming out, the letter was still there. So you see, everything worked out real nice.
Before you get home, you must have removed the letter. But you have to be extremely careful. Because soon, he will come up with another strategy. You understand?
I don't care. I really do not care. Provided I have you by my side. I mean, you are the master planner. So I have nothing to worry about. Please.
I tell you, don't tell me you're still sleeping. Did I wake you up?
No, I was just lying down.
Okay.
Baby, Somto, forget this my ugly face. See this face? Clear like DSTV. I mean, love you pass. Somto, I love you. I don't wipe out. I don't ugly again. I love you.
Look this thing, Soto, and I mean deal for you. Eh? I mean the guy, if you check my beard, look where. See, I mean the man say I'll match you. Yeah, you match now to match. You're losing this short thing.
Maybe you know me by beer. Forget say this beer day. I never forget about this guy. Somto, I clear like DSTV. I clear past this guy.
Ah, make you take caution. So
it's okay.
It's
okay. Calm down, both of you.
See Somto, I can show you. See this. Allow me this, my sister. See. Forget this guy.
See, it's okay. Calm down. Your body to the front. Calm down. You want me, Abi?
Sure.
You want to have me?
For sure.
No problem. You want to have me?
Yeah, I'm here now.
No wahala. Calm down. Now, I want both of you to do just small thing for me. Just one thing like this.
What's in be that?
Are you ready?
Check height now. Check height.
I will be by checking height. Are you ready?
Are you ready? I'm not wasting time. I don't want to argue.
Okay.
Just talk around.
Now for you, calm down. Your body to be hot. Calm down. Now, I want both of you to fight. Better fight. Like, you know, anybody that wins, you have me.
My best friend with this, so.
Are you in? Are you in or not?
I go there calm.
Wait.
Come outside.
Wait.
I go there calm.
Baby, if I fight, I go fight her.
I go there calm. I dey ready. I go there calm. Who be this? Who you come be? I go deck you for here. I need something.
Wait, people don't hear.
I go deck you, my guy. Calm down.
People don't hear. See, I will knock you out. This morning. Okay, you go spare call. No, go. Okay, you can't do that.
My guy. I'm gonna be guy.
No, I'm you.
Guy, I go. Guy. I'm here, you. Guy, I'm here. Come like this. You don't fear. Cross here with my guy. But see, I tell you. Today, you don't want to go here. Go settle the matter. I need this.
When are they keep for keep out of 5? You don't tell life.
Guy, forget talk.
Catch you like going to go.
Forget talk, guy. Forget talk.
I will tell you. Don't jump, call. Catch you like that. Don't call. Don't call.
I go punch you.
Why?
Die! Die!
Wait!
Cross here.
Okay, come.
Guy, see this sound. Touch this sound.
I'm going to say, no.
Come here. And this waist will look at me. My waist. My own waist.
Come now.
Guy.
So come now.
Oya waist. Come here.
No, you want to
die.
Come.
Monkey style.
Hey, go.
Guys, Python.
Jump.
Guy, Venom. Venom. I don't punch you. Die. Die on me. Die. You spot it. Go. Let's get it, baby. Yeah, baby.
Daddy?
Yeah, Adobe. Is that you?
Yes,
How are you?
I'm good. Dad, you're moody. Why? You're not cheerful now.
I'm not cheerful?
Yes, you're not cheerful. You're not happy. You look angry. I don't like it.
But I never told you I was angry, did I? I never mentioned that to you.
You wouldn't want to mention it to me. But I know that you're angry.
Okay, Adobe. Daddy is not angry, okay? Daddy's just seated here and getting some fresh air. Okay? How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is the security man?
Should I call him for you?
Yes.
Okay, Daddy.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I sent for you.
Yes, sir.
Adobe.
Yes, Daddy.
Kindly go upstairs. I'll be with you shortly, okay? I want to talk to him.
Okay. Okay, be careful.
Thank you. Thank you. I called you because I want to ask you a very important question. And I need you to be very honest. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen any man in this house who does not live here?
Any man? Okay, no.
I will explain to you.
Okay, sir.
I'll explain better. Have you ever seen anyone who does not live in this house and the person came here visiting? Have you ever seen a stranger in this house? Someone you don't know before? Someone who does not live here?
Yes, Oga. Yes. I remember. Get one where they come here all the time. In fact, if they come now self, even that time when you travel, if they come. I remember.
Can you describe this person?
Sir?
Can you describe the person? Is he tall, short, light skin, dark skin? Can you describe the person?
God, he just dey tall, small, gone dark, small. He gets small white body.
Who does he come to see? Are you there?
Guy, go here.
Who does he come to see?
Guy, I don't know.
Okay. Thank you very much. That will be all for now.
Thank you, sir.
You can go back to your duty post.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yes.
I say, make I wish you happy birthday in advance.
Thank you very much. Have you had something to eat?
Yeah, J-Mark, you don't chop you. But if you say make J-Mark chop again, he could chop again.
No worries. I'll ask them to send some food over, okay?
Okay? Sure! For my Oga!
Thank you.
Yeah. Talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah. It's a no-no. When you're trying to please, you cannot achieve it. Keep on your
I would like to talk to you about something.
Hi. Alright, what is it?
It's Daddy. He usually cries when you leave for work.
What do you mean your dad cries when I leave for work?
I don't know. Immediately you leave for work, he will start crying.
Is he crying now?
No. He'll wait for you to drive out. Then he will start crying.
Have you taken your time to ask your dad why he cries when mommy leaves for work?
I have. He said he's heartbroken. That his situation or his condition is making him so worthless.
Okay, you know what? Just tell your daddy that mommy loves him so much. Okay?
Okay, Mom, but I love him too.
I know. We both love him. Okay? And don't worry, Daddy's gonna be fine in no time, okay?
Okay, Mom. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Mommy's late.
Bye-bye. Bye. Buy something from me.
Oh, please. Upstairs.
Jima is your guy. Woo! If you wanna see as you snap like this, you be like angel.
Oh, Yensha, what is it?
Calm down. Why you dey do me like this? This time, why they plead for you? They tell you, say, I love you. Why you do me like this now?
Onyeshe, I've told you severally that I am not your size. Shoe have sizes, and I am not your size. Stop making me to always repeat myself. I don't like it.
Yeah. Okay, see, get what I want to tell you. See, Nana, from my heart, I swear, me, I love you. Forget all these things we see like this. Me, I be fine man. I dey work very, very hard. And you say as you be fine girl like this, if you click for me. See, if I walk out like this, enter your Jerusalem. Now you go to sing there.
Come on, get out. It is not possible, and it will never be possible.
Ha. See, you say I love you, we don't okay, see what will happen. You get what I bring for you. You, how I take care of you, bitch. Dear, I foresee because me I ready for you. My salary was share na me to do. I said I can give you half. As I will divide my empire, my heart. Can I give you? I don't blame her. See. Oh!
Are you?
Alright. This thing enter. Beat them for all again. I give you my bag, I give you my soul. Do with me anything.
What is your problem? What is it now?
I love you.
I am not interested. Keep your money. I don't need it. You want to give me your half of your salary? Half of your salary is how much?
Okay, Bella, see. Make you just around me. You can't just put the head. I no go let the whole body enter. With the cap, I will just put them inside there like this.
What is the cap and where do you want to put this cap? Eh? You're very stupid. And today should be the very first and last that you will ever come to say all this rubbish. Imagine you want to put the cap inside here. I don't blame you. Nonsense. Stupid boy. You want to put it here. Come and put it here now. Idiot.
Yeah, beg now. Yeah. Forgive me for this compound, yo.
This is not our agreement. I mean, we had an agreement before bringing you to the company. So what is going on?
Oh, I see what you call agreement. I have drafted up all my strategies, all my plans, right? But something is hindering me from executing.
And what could that be?
Sandra, your husband.
My husband what? Come on, Jones. My husband is clearly a blind man. So what are you talking about?
Sandra, you're a woman. I can feel it. I can see it. I am 100% sure your husband is going to come after me.
My husband is blind. Please. Can you just do something? I really want to be with you. Okay, fine. What do you want us to do?
I think I have a plan. But the problem here is, how are we going to make it work? How can we make it work possibly? How? That's the question here.
Can't you just tell me what the plan is? I mean, I really want to be with you. I want to get married to you. Like, I love you so much. I have this burning desire to be with you. I longed to be with you. I've longed for so long. Please. So what is the plan?
What is it? Why are you looking like this? Very unhappy.
Jones.
What did he say or do to you?
Lavina, Jones looked me in the eyes and asked me to kill my husband.
Lord of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What? Wait a minute. Jones looked you in the eyes and said that to you?
Honestly, I don't even know what to say to him. You know, I am regretting ever crossing paths with this guy.
What has come over Jones?
This guy practically looked me in the eyes and asked me to shed an innocent blood
to kill my own husband. An innocent blood, that I should shed an innocent blood. Yes, I know I don't love Okowa, but not to the extent of wanting to kill him.
Honestly, that was very, in fact, extremely bad of him. God, no, I am dreaming. I'm dreaming because what is this I just heard? Oh no. No way. What?
You see, at this point, I am done with this guy. Yes, this guy is a murderer. I'm done with him. That I should kill my husband all because I want to settle with him?
Calm down. Relax. Take a deep breath. It has not gotten to that.
This guy has meditated on this for so long before deciding to spill this shit out. And it's really not acceptable by me. I can't be with such a guy. Never.
I understand you. I understand what you are trying to say. But then again, it has not gotten to you being done with him. You have to think again. Calm down. Relax your mind. It's not that serious.
How's work today?
Very well.
Sandra.
Yeah.
I have been waiting for you to tell me the reason for this letter. You have been mute. What's going on?
What letter are you talking about?
Read it.
No, please. I'm really not in the mood to read anything. I've been working with my laptop all day. I've strained my eyes enough.
Sandra, what the hell is the problem? How have I wronged you? What have I done? Did I do wrong by asking you to represent me at the company? Why would you take decisions and drastic actions without consulting me?
Where are all this coming from?
What happened to Mr. Joe?
I sacked him.
Why?
Joe has proven to be incompetent, and so I fired him.
What do you mean by that? Joseph single-handedly built that company. I mean, I know I own the company, but he has worked hard to ensure that the company become what it is today. I met Joseph before I met you. We worked together to ensure that the company becomes a conglomerate. How dare you sack him? As far as I'm concerned, I own the company. And if anyone should sack anyone, or if anyone should take a decision, it should be me.
So are you trying to say that I do not also have an overall power over that company?
No, you do not have an overall power.
Oh.
You work for me.
I see.
And it is inappropriate to fire anyone without consulting me first. So tell me, who is the new manager?
I doubt if you know him.
Okay, I want the person fired. I want him out of that place.
I can't do that.
Excuse me? I am the MD of the company, And you work for me. I'm giving you 24 hours to reinstate Mr. Joe. Else.
You know, please, Okowa, if you want me to quit, just come out straight and tell me you're done with me.
Listen,
yeah, that's it. If you want me to quit the job, tell me. I will quit. I will go back to my job.
I did not say that. Sandra, I am not asking you to quit. But I'm giving you 24 hours to reinstate Mr. Joe. That office belongs to him. He worked hard for it. I think my phone is. Why would you take decisions and drastic actions without consulting me?
Where are all this coming from?
What happened to Mr. Joe? Why?
Joe has proven to be incompetent, and so I fired him.
What do you mean by that? Joseph single-handedly built that company. I mean, I know I own the company, but he has worked hard to ensure that the company become what it is today. I met Joseph before I met you. We worked together to ensure that the company becomes a conglomerate. How dare you sack him? As far as I'm concerned, I own the company. And if anyone should sack anyone, or if anyone should take a decision, it should be me.
So are you trying to say that I do not also have an overall power over that company?
No, you do not have an overall power. You work for me.
So what is your next plan? What are you going to do?
Nothing. Because I am not going to sack Jones for any reason.
In other words, you are going to do what he suggested.
Looks like it.
And you think that is the best option?
We really do not have a choice here. So, yeah, that's the best.
Sandra.
Yeah.
I still want you to think about it.
Think about what? Really, there is really nothing here to think about because my mind is made up.
Chi, you have been like this since morning. What troubles you?
Amaka, something terrible is about to happen.
What is it?
I saw Brother Koa lying dead on the day of his birthday.
Jesus Christ.
And it was his wife that killed him.
Bad dream indeed.
If anything happens to my brother Okowa, I swear with my life, I will kill that woman.
So, have you tried to call him?
Call him and tell him what?
So, why are you this cold?
I'm cold because of what I'm going to do. The blood I'm going to shed is already flowing in my red eyes.
Chicken, I suggest you should call him by yourself. Okay, you can use my phone.
I will not call him. But trust me, I will fulfill every bit of my promise.
Mama, he said he will not call him. Then call him. Call him and tell him.
Mama, I have done that already. He has not picked his call since then. Not to return. What do you want me to do?
Call Sandra.
Mama, are you the one saying this?
Yes.
I should call that stupid woman. Mama Biko, I can't call her.
We are talking about your brother's life. Call Sandra.
Mama,
use my phone. Bring out her number and call.
Mama, it's because of you. Left alone, I will not
call
try.
Sandra. Call her. We need to distract something. Call her.
Bonya. Left alone, I will never in my life dial her number to talk of calling her.
Nothing. Check out! I have this thing fast now. I don't know how I want to take it. It's gonna go. Black magic, yeah! Just what I want to tell you, Nani! See, on a serious note, this your brother, if you lose him, no go see him again. If you lose him, you don't lose that be that.
Chike. Ndobodo sina. Prevention is better than cure. Mgbochi ọrịa ka ọgwụgwọ ọrịa mma, my brother.
Oga, if anything happens to my brother, I swear with my life I will kill the whole family and spend the rest of my life in jail. Trust me. Trust me.
When did this your brother became jelly to you?
One day I will hear now. One day I will hear nice.
Mana.
It's okay. See, breadwinner is always a breadwinner. No, you guys want to change that.
And listen, let me tell you something. You see, blood is blood, no matter what. No matter what your blood do to you, he or she still remains your blood. And what are they with 1 naira?
No, I'm not going to follow you.
You see, Chike, it's okay.
Sure now.
But you still need to tell your brother about the dream you had about him. So he can trade with caution. Do you understand? Tell him about the dream.
That's what we were saying. Sometimes dreams like this, you know, they honor you.
Calm down. Drink up, man. Let's chill, man. Play me that jam, bro. Play me that jam, bro.
You play when I go, you go collect to.
Play me that jam, bro.
No, you go cost.
Where I go finish? Where I go buy?
When I come up, buy. Now let's go finish this thing. No, I will wrap my own.
Come on. No, sir.
You need to brace yourself.
Nani.
Let's say you know the track.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today is a special day for my cute, handsome, elegant, hardworking husband. And I want to wish you a happy birthday. And I pray that may God Almighty continue to favor us. Amen. Open doors for us. Amen. More blessings. Amen. More favor. Amen. And may we continue to grow in love. Amen. And may the love you have for me never die. You may continue to love me till your dying day. And so, baby, I love you.
I love you too.
I love this one so much. Trust me. And cheers to a good life. Cheers. Oh my darling. Cheers. 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 Oh, my friend.
Auntie baby night.
Baby girl. Yeah. Go back to your seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm short of words, but I'm very excited to have you in my corner.
Thank you. Thank you.
Today is a special day.
Yeah.
A day for me to rejoice.
Yes.
A day for me to be happy.
Yes.
And unfortunately, it's also a day to be sad.
What?
It's a day of regret.
Yeah.
And also a day of betrayal.
It's everything okay? Is everything okay?
Dad, what's going on?
Adobe, come. Kindly go upstairs and wait for me, okay? I'll join you shortly and we'll come down together. Alright? Good. Hurry up. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take you all on a journey. So I want you to relax and be patient. You see, when I married this beautiful, dark-skinned woman,
Come on, baby.
standing 6 foot tall before me, she had nothing. She was poor. She had no home to go to. I gave her shelter. In fact, I built a house for herself and her entire family. I gave her a job. I put her on my payroll. I gave her a ring and I married her. And after a while, God blessed our union with our beautiful daughter. Fast forward to later. My wife refused to get pregnant for me again. Just because she does not love me. Her mother told me severally, and I regret. I should have listened to her mother when she vehemently told me that her daughter does not love me, so she cannot have another child for me. Because I do not satisfy her sexually. And that's the reason you cannot get pregnant from me again. I'm totally confused. I have tried to make peace. But the truth is, I don't understand what the problem is. She has refused to accept my proposal. She has refused to marry me. I need you to kindly ask her, what wrong have I done? I am totally confused. I don't know what I have done.
My daughter said that you are a very good man, very caring at that. But there is just one reason she said she can't get married to you.
And Mama, what could that be?
She said...
Mama, you're not saying anything. What did she say?
It's not easy for me to just say it, but I can as well let you know.
Mama, tell me, what did she say? Did I do something wrong?
Okay. She said that you are okay, that you can't satisfy her on bed. But that's the only reason. No worries. I'll talk to her again. I'll try to convince her. It's okay. It's okay.
So, Mr. Joe, you called and said you wanted to see me?
Yes, sir. I went to your office and I found out you've gone.
Yes, I was tired. I had to come.
Okay. Sir, what I want to tell you now is very, very difficult. But I have to say it.
Alright, go ahead.
Sir, ever since you employed me in your company, and I started working with you, you have been nice to me. You treat me like your own brother. And that's why I will not fold my arms and watch evil before you.
Okay.
Sir, I think your wife is trespassing.
What do you mean trespassing?
Sir, I think she's cheating on you.
How dare you? What do you mean by that?
Sir, it's true. Sir, what I just told you is true. And nothing but the truth.
Mr. Joe.
Sir.
Are you aware of what you just said?
Yes, sir. I'm aware.
How did you find out?
Sir, yesterday made it the 5th time I'm seeing her with this particular guy in different hotels. So I know it's hard for you to believe. That's why I have to show you this.
Sandra, I have in my possession a picture photograph of you and the young looking man cheating on me.
What?
I have kept that photograph in my possession just because I couldn't prove it that you have been cheating. Because sometimes women can be unpredictable. I wanted to wait for the right time until the accident. Doctor, I need a favor. I want you to tell my people I lost my sight. I went blind as a result of the impact from the accident. But this secret should be between us. Name your price and I'll pay. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not blind. Okay. And I can never be blind. You're not blind. Welcome! Oh God, he's not blind! You can see us. Silence people. Babe. Babe. Babe, where are you? Babe, talk to me. You there? Babe. Babe. Babe, are you there? Babe, is that you? Babe, are you here? Oh, she's not here. Didn't I shut the door? Is she in the bathroom? Babe, are you in the bathroom? Babe, are you there? Oh. I thought she was here. Babe! Sandra,
Baby,
I saw you.
my love.
I saw everything. Every single thing you did. But I pretended to be blind.
Hey,
I pretended not to see you.
you saw me.
The board meetings,
Huh?
the several hotels. You're wicked.
No.
And you, I know you.
Hey!
Hold him back!
Hey.
You came into my house. You slept with my wife.
What?
On my matrimonial bed.
You?
How dare you? How dare you? You thought I was blind. You thought I wouldn't see you. But this is the end of the road for you. Ladies and gentlemen, if I begin to speak of what I experienced in this house, pretending to be blind, it's going to be a long day. So, I'll just go straight to the point. To tell you the end of the story. Are you aware that today is supposed to be the day of my demise?
What? Why? How? Why?
I was supposed to die. But by the grace of God, this woman right there saved my life.
Everything has been planned out. It will either be added in your food or drink. So please, be very careful on that very day. One more thing. Please, don't mention my name. I beg you.
Thank you very much. Guys, this is the most interesting part. My wife, the love of my life, my everything, my best friend, the sugar in my tea. I consider this a glass of love. You want a drink? Let's share it. It's a birthday wine, right?
Yes.
Take from it.
Drink the wine. Drink it now. Sister, just drink it now. I'm having alcohol. Drink it. Just see.
Guys, this drink is poisoned. So drink. You wanted to kill me. So you can take everything I have. You want to elope with your boyfriend. Today is also the end of the road for you. Officer! Officer! Please come. The culprits.
Oh my God.
Him and her. You don't worry.
That's my sister.
You both are under arrest, and I advise you to remain silent and cooperate with me. For whatever you say or do, we use against me in the court of law.
Young lady! I said move! Go! What are you waiting for? Move, man! Go! Stop wasting my time. Hey,
She's my sister! Sister! Oh my goodness! Oh my God, my sister!
Hey! Happy birthday, Mr. Okowa. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's a new day for you.
Thank you. Guys, I must apologize for that terrible experience, and but it's all over now. But this is a wake-up call for everyone, because sometimes you can love the wrong person, and the person who you think is your best friend might just be your enemy. So this is the right time to sing to me.
What I'm waiting for?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, it's a no-no. When you're trying to please, you cannot achieve it. When you try your body, give her your all, you cannot please her. And to sum it up, you cannot please please a woman, no matter how you try. You cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul, material things. Give her the world, give her your body. No matter what you give, you cannot please a woman. I will say it again. You cannot please a woman, no matter how you try. You cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul, material things. Give her the world, give her your body. No matter what you give, you cannot please a woman. Yeah.
Sis, Emmanuel, where is you? Like, this word is nothing. Sis, so if you had not revealed that woman's plan with that useless man, Brother Koa would have been a dead person by now. Are you serious? Sis, I swear, men are suffering in the hands of women. Like, men are suffering. Gosh.
Doris. My only advice to you is never marry a man you do not love, no matter what. Even if the person gives you heaven as a gift. Please.
Sis, I swear to God, what happened today taught me a very big lesson. Shit. Ha!
Bella, come and see, come and see what? I've been longing to ask you, what was the meaning of that?
Meaning of what?
Meaning of what happened at Okowa's place. Really? You saw the way your sister was humiliated, arrested in front of everyone, and all you could do was to sit back, to eat cake that you have not eaten before. Or better still, to drink anything that you have not taken before.
Oh, please. Don't talk to me like that. In case you've forgotten, I'm still your elder sister.
And what does elder sister has to do with this?
Oh, please. Am I the one that asked her to have an affair outside her marriage? Or am I even the one that asked her to plan killing her husband on his birthday?
Please. Okay, so because she made a common mistake, she should go and die, Abi? Come on, we are talking about your sister. Your blood.
Bella, if I say you yourself go do the same thing. Please. If you don't have anything serious to say, just leave.
Hey.
You don't want to see what I want to show you. You will like it. Come.
I beg, leave me. I don't see anything. You're just annoying. I beg.
Okay. This is beautiful. Wow.
I foresee it and I saw it. No one listened to me. If you people had allowed me to treat this matter the way I wanted it wouldn't have gotten to this extent. Yes. Now tell me, what if that girl did not go to Okowa and leak that secret to him? Do you know that Okowa would be a dead man by now?
Mama,
Now I know that Sandra purposely wanted to kill you and Brother Kowa.
Oh, before uncle.
That's it. That's it. That's women for you. You can never satisfy a woman. Do everything. May for when it's him okokoko. Buy heaven for a woman. Yes, when Jesus comes, that same heaven you bought for her, she will tell Jesus never to allow you enter that same heaven.
Hey.
You can never satisfy them. Drop possible.
No. I disagree with you on this. Not all women. So my extension, please.
I'm not going to shave on them. It's in a woman one. Huh? Even our mother here looking at me, she's a monk. All of you are the same. And what do you can never satisfy a woman. It's not possible. But can take your time. You people are the same. Tears cannot solve this problem.
You're not saying anything.
How manage your one, my friend?
Hey.
Those are truth. Wow.
Hey!
Yes, cannot solve it.
Chike, what did happen, Chike? When you invite us come your car, you can't dey bone face. What did they solve?
Go tell us now, what did happen? No, they no joy like this.
Nothing is hidden under the sun that will not be revealed.
We don't understand. What happened? What is up?
My dream almost came true. But thank God for His infinite mercy. My brother's wife nearly killed him on the day of his birthday. And when they caught her with a poisoned drink, they asked her to drink it and she refused.
So, why am I not my guy?
Nah, Chike, we need to thank God though. Like your God is alive.
My God or my brother's God?
Whichever one. Both you and your family need to do Thanksgiving. People that for not go.
Oh, my brother go finish when I don't buy.
Go now.
Eh? They go buy winner, brother go just finish like that. So, what happened? Did your brother got arrested?
Yes, he said he arrested her.
Okay. Your brother na Mugu. Oko na big time Mugu. Why you go arrest her? Carry this one go back to her parents' house. Make she go back her papa house, go day. You can't arrest her. Arrest her, see what happen.
Hey, for your bring her come there, papa.
Born her Brazilian hair.
It's good as he arrested her. Because hadn't been, I saw her with my 2 eyes. Guy, I will spend the rest of my life in jail.
Ta! Chukamankwe.
Nah, fear women. Oh. Fear women. Fear who not fear women.
My guys, women are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Women are dangerous.
Guys, I actually said it in front of my mom and my sister. That all women are the same. They are all the same. That is their nature. One day, if not because of children, I would not even get married.
Okay, I tell you. As similar like this, if I make money, contract marriage straight up.
Simple.
Guy, I don't get that time.
No, tell me what they never do for this woman. What you gonna never do for her? Mansion be for their family house. Give cash, they drive the one you like.
Do you know that my brother placed her on a monthly salary?
My brother. How?
Every month.
Salary.
My guy, this one they cash out. Big time cash out you do for go ahead.
Hey, monthly salary. No, not going to take this
just for her to be happy.
No God, they want to please man for this life again. How you want to please woman?
Now big time Kasha, this one.
Not possible. Now come on, Amugu. No get to please woman.
This woman come this level collect her Brazilian hair. Once I say they arrest her for it. Arrest her for it.
Give her your all, you cannot place her.
So where is your brother now?
Oh, he has gone. I think this is a great opportunity for them to vacate the house for now. Yes.
It's actually nice, but Sandra went too far. It's not as if she's lacking anything.
Okay, for now. Okay, for women are dangerous. You people are dangerous. Get even my brother now there for you. Place her on a monthly salary. What is remaining for her to be happy? Yeah? Oh.
See, let me tell you. I know that women are dangerous, but not all. There are still good women among us. Which one is?
You people are the same. You see, you people are the same. Even you here, you work wherever. You people are the same. If not because of children, and where they fall behind junior.
Yes. Are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you, but truth be told, it's your market. Oh my, they are all the same. It's your nature, so you cannot change it. Yes. Eh? Why is your face like that? Eh? Oh yeah, now calm down.
Oh no,
calm down.
Leave me alone.
Baby. Oh, baby.
Oh, chicken, stop.
Oh, I don't even make wash now.
We need to celebrate. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm sorry for what happened. I'm very sorry.
No, Mr. Joe. You see, everything happens for a reason. Nothing in life happens by accident. And you don't have to apologize. You saved my life. So thank you very much.
A pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
A pleasure, sir.
Great.
So, where is she now?
Unfortunately, she's in police custody. It's been a tough investigation, actually. And so far, she's going to be with them for a very long time. And I was going to tell you that 700 million was found in her account.
What?
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Her account has been frozen. The Economic Financial Crime Department of the police. They have everything under control. But it's quite unfortunate she'll be staying there for a very long time. Yeah.
Honestly, I'm speechless.
Yes.
I'm speechless.
It's quite unfortunate. But like I said, everything happens for a reason.
Thank you.
There's enough food in case you want to eat.
No, I'm okay with this.
Alright.
I'm okay.
That's alright. You're welcome.
What can be done for a woman to stay faithful? Absolutely nothing. A woman can easily be convinced by anyone to turn her back on the person who was there for her. What haven't I done for this girl? I got her a good job. I put her on my payroll. I bought her a car. I even built a house for her parents. I haven't even built a house for my own parents. Yet, she is not satisfied. She tried to kill me. She tried to take my life. Marriage is very, very deep. And trust me, some people cannot deal with marriage.
Hey! Sandra. Sandra, why? Sandra, why? Why did you have to do this to us? I warned you, Sandra. I warned you, did I not? But you will not listen to me. Do you know the shame? From grace to grass. Hey! Hey! How do I face my fellow women? And that's not even the... Sandra, where did you get that kind of heart? Apart from all your adulteries here and there, you planned with your man friend to kill the poor man. Sandra, why? Sandra, why? Onye zirigi? Hey, Sandra, why? When did you turn into a killer? A murderer? Hey! Nah. You just sitting there saying nothing. Say something. What Sandra did, is it right? Say something. Hi! Arum. I'm Toransi. Sandra. I'm sorry. Sorry. Hey! Look at us, Sandra. A man that built this for us. You know where we all are coming from. And he gave us this. Still, that could not satisfy you. Oh. Hey! You're sorry. What do we do? What will you do? I don't even know. I don't know the one that is really getting at me most. Apart from all your adulteries and everything. That idea of planning to kill the poor man. Sandra! Yes!
Give her the world, give her your body,
wow.
Give her your all, you cannot please her, yeah. I'm talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can get
I'm sorry for everything that happened.
Please rise. Get up. You saved my life. I'm here to say thank you. Thank you for everything you have done. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Bevina. But I am incomplete. I need a woman who's going to take care of me and my daughter. And I strongly believe you are that woman. Please marry me. Marry me.
God, I don't deserve you.
Don't say that.
Listen, I appreciate you too with all my heart.
No, I can't marry you. I can't. If not because my friend who was your wife refused to give me the money I asked for, I would not have revealed that secret to you. So I don't think I deserve you. I don't.
I'm talking of a woman, an unsatisfied human. No matter what you offer, they can't get enough from you. If you're trying to please a woman, brother, you gotta think it twice, yeah. It's a no-no. When you're trying to please, you cannot achieve it. Give her your body, give her your all. You cannot please her. And to sum it up, you cannot please a woman, no matter how you try. You cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul, material things. Give her the world, give her your body. No matter what you give, you cannot please a woman. I will say it again. You cannot please a woman, no matter how you try. You cannot please a woman. Give her your heart, give her your soul, material things. Give her the world, give her your body, no matter what.